Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to estimate root 2 using binomial expansion of 1 minus 2x raised to half. First, we're going to expand 1 minus 2x raised to half from binomial theorem. A plus b raised to n is given by a raised to n plus n, a raised to n minus 1, b plus n into n minus 1, a raised to n minus 2, b raised to 2, all over 2 factorial. The series continues. Therefore, 1 minus 2x raised to 1 over 2 is given by 1. 1 raised to any power remains to be 1 plus a half into 1 into b, which is the same as minus 2x, plus a half into n minus 1, which is the same as negative a half, into 1 into negative b squared, which is negative 2x squared, all over 2 factorial. Therefore, 1 minus 2x raised to a half is given by 1. We can cancel 2 by 2. We remain with minus x plus. So 2 factorial is 2 times 1. We can cancel that. We multiply our numerator by 1 over 2. We can cancel 2 and 2 by negative 2 squared. We remain with minus x squared all over 2. So that's our expansion. We're going to use the first 3 terms. Point to note, this expansion is indefinite. That is, n minus a half is the same as minus a half. N minus 2 is the same as minus 3 over 2. N minus 3 is the same as minus 5 over 2. N minus 4 is minus 7 over 2. And it goes on and never approaches 0. Therefore, we need to define the limits for which this expansion is valid. So we're going to take 2x, magnitude of 2x should be the same as 1. We divide by 2, we divide by 2. Therefore, magnitude of x should be equivalent to 1 over 2. That is, x is in between a half and negative 1 over 2. Negative 1 over 2. So this is the limit for which this expansion is valid. So to estimate root 2, we need to multiply 2 with a perfect square. Say 2y squared. It's a square root. So we're going to multiply 2 by y squared. So therefore, our expansion, 1 minus 2x raised to 1 over 2 is the same as root of 1 minus 2x. Therefore, for us to estimate root 2, we multiply by root of 2y squared, right? So we're going to compare what is in the root. That is 1 minus 2x. We compare to 2y squared. Therefore, 1 minus 2x equals to 2y squared. Making 2x the subject of the formula, we're going to have this 2x is equivalent to 1 minus 2y squared. We can divide by 2. We divide by 2. We divide by 2. Cancel 2 and 2. 2 and 2. So we remain with the value of x, which is equivalent to x equals to 1 over 2 minus y squared. The value of x lies between negative half and half for this expansion to be true, but the most accurate answer is given when the value of x is close to 0. Therefore, we need to find the value of y, which will make the value of x close to 0. It should be a perfect square. Therefore, we need to find the value of y. So we can write x equals to 0.5 minus. So all possible values of y, we can have the first one to be 0.25, 0.36, and 0.49. But we are saying the most accurate is the one which will make the value of x to be close to 0. So 0.49 will be our best answer. So we're going to take 0.49. So that is y squared equals to 0.49. Therefore, y is equivalent to 0.7 or 7 over 10. So we're going to use this value to find the value of x. So x is the same as 0.5 minus 0.49, which is equivalent to 0.01, which is the value of x. So x therefore is the same as 0.01, and the value of y is the same as 7 over 10. So we're going to use the two values. Going back to our estimation, we're going to have it as root of 2y squared is the same as root of 1 minus 2x. We can write 2y squared, y as y, root of 2, equals to root of 1 minus 2x. Divide by y, we divide by y. We cancel y and y. It therefore means root of 2 is the same as 1 all over y into root of 1 minus 2x. But what do we know? We know the root of 1 minus 2x is given by 1 minus x squared over 2 from binomial expansion. Therefore, root of 2 is given by 1 all over y into 1, which is from the expansion 1 minus x squared all over 2. At this point, we know the value of y and we know the value of x. So we can write root of 2. We can write root of 2 equals to 1 all over 1 over y is the same as 1 all over 1 over 10, which is equivalent to 10 over 7, into 1 minus x is 0.01 minus 0.01 squared all over 2. So we can simplify what is in the brackets. Therefore, we can write root of 2 is the same as 10 over 7 into 0. If we cancel what is in the bracket, 0.98995. We can simplify this further using our calculator. Root of 2 therefore is equivalent to 1.41 to 2 decimal places. This is our answer. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.